Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I decided to vlog again. I just filmed yesterday, and to be honest with you, now that I'm home with Andreas and Adriana is not here, I just feel like my mind is so much more freer and I can think, and I really want to share more of my journey with you and connect with you. So today I just cleaned up the dishes here. Andreas is napping and I have to fold some laundry, answer some emails, but most importantly, as you can tell, I'm dressed in my workout clothes. I'm starting to work out again. I am so excited because I actually have not worked out since basically I got pregnant with Andreas. So you can imagine how long that's been, keeping in mind that he's 7.5 months old. So it's been a long time and I'm super excited to get back into it, and the timing just couldn't be more perfect. I'm going to be doing some yoga today and I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna talk to you about it and show you guys all about it once I set up. I cleaned out this area here from all the toys, and I'm gonna set up my mat and get settled into my little yoga practice while he's napping. Hopefully I have enough time, and then I will introduce you guys. I'm gonna be using this really cool online yoga studio. It's called Yogaya plus Manduka, but I'll talk all about it in a few minutes when I set up. I'm really actually super excited to introduce you guys to it and start working out again. So give me a few minutes to set up and I'll check in with you guys in a minute. All right, I'm all set up and ready to go, but before I start working out, I wanted to talk to you a little bit more about this awesome website and app where you can just do yoga from the comfort of your own home. And honestly, guys, the timing could not have been perfect. I love how the universe works sometimes. Literally, Adriana started preschool, as you guys know, this week. So today's her 3rd day. And when I knew that she was going to be starting, I was so excited because I was like, finally, I'm going to have some time to myself while he naps to do other things other than taking care of kids in the house. So I thought I will start working out. And just then I get an email from this awesome company called Yogaya plus Manduka. And they wanted to see if I wanted to join their online yoga studio and check them out and give them a try. And I was like, oh yeah, this is like, couldn't be more perfect. So I'm gonna introduce you guys to it because I truly think it's amazing. And I've tried a couple of their classes and they're just, like I said, right up my alley because I can do it from home right now. Like Andreas is napping, I can do it right here in my living room. So I tried them out yesterday and the day before. And right now they're actually offering you guys a free month trial with the code Leyla 2018. I will put the code right here, and I will leave all the information in the description bar as well if you'd like to check them out. And now I'll just show you a little bit of what the website looks like, and then I'll start working out because most likely Andreas is going to wake up anytime and I really want to get this workout in before he wakes up. Right, so this is what it looks like on the computer, and you can basically go into their classes and different programs. So I usually just go into classes and then you can see all the classes that they have going on. So these are the ones that you can join, and then they also have, these are the live classes here, and you can also go into the video library. So I did one live class, but it doesn't always work with my schedule. So the video library is awesome because they're adding like 15 different workouts per day. So there's basically everything for basically whatever you like. So they have some yoga and workouts and meditations and stuff like that. So see mindfulness, which is awesome. I definitely want to start meditating as well. So it's really awesome, and there's everything for everyone, for everyone's taste and level of working out. So I'm going to choose the one I want to do now and get working out. All right, so for today I'm going to try this one here, Flow and Go. It's 15 minutes, level 2. Yeah, I'm excited to start. So I would just press here to begin the class, and I will set up the camera so you guys can watch along. So here's what the class looks like. So I'll just start it for a second so you can see what I'm going to be seeing.
Hello, welcome to Flow and Go. My name is Athena. This is Yogaya plus
Oh, Athena. I'm so excited. I've really been feeling like my body was craving movement and workouts. Like I was on my feet all day taking care of Andres and Adriana, like moving around, but it's not the same when you're doing like focused movement, and especially yoga because it's so grounding and just connects you back to your inner self and your heart and your body. So yeah, enough talking. I'm gonna set up the camera and get to working out. yoga. That was so good. I've missed working out so much. I said that I didn't work out since I got pregnant with Andres, but that's not true. I actually did like once a week for maybe a month, maybe more, I can't remember it now. I did some prenatal yoga and that was really good, but then I just couldn't keep up with just everything going on. And oh, this feels so good to work out, to move your body, to give back to yourself. I really have just been so out of balance, been neglecting myself completely, no self-love whatsoever. Look at my nails, look at my toes. I'm not gonna show you my toes, but I've just had no time for myself. So I'm so grateful that Adriana gets to be in a great environment and learn and thrive and grow, and I get to take care of myself again. So yeah, I really love this Yogai plus Manduka. The mat's actually by Manduka as well, and so are these blocks, which are like really great quality, like cork. I've used some before that were like lightweight. These are nice heavy blocks, and the mat's awesome. I've heard of Manduka mats, but I've never actually felt them or used them, and this one is great. So thank you so much to Yogai for sponsoring this video, for coming into my life when they did at the most perfect timing and allowing me to work out at home. And what was that? There's a crazy wind going on outside. Something just fell outside. Yeah, so if you have also been wanting to get back into working out, then this is really good, you guys. Check them out. Like I said, they are giving you guys a free month trial just to check them out, so it doesn't hurt. Sign up and do it, even if it's just for 1 month. Just check them out. It just feels so good to give back to yourself and to take care of yourself. So with the code Leyla 2018, the link will be in the bottom bar. If you want to check them out, go ahead and do that. And now that I feel more balanced and more like I've given to myself, so I have something to give, I can go and tackle the laundry now. All right, so here is this pile of laundry that I am going to be folding now, and something I do anytime I'm cooking or doing laundry or cleaning or anything like that, I will put on either an audiobook or a podcast or something like that, just so that I can make use of the time. And right now I'm actually re-listening to Brain Rules on Audible, Brain Rules for Baby, and the tagline is how to raise a smart and happy child from 0 to 5. I've listened to it before and I'm just re-listening to it again because I have Andreas now, who is now almost 8 months, 7.5 months, and not almost, he's 7.5 months, and obviously I want to, you know, see if I can help him to raise him smart and happy. So yeah, I'm gonna set up and start folding the laundry before he wakes up. All right, laundry all done and folded, and he's still sleeping. This is amazing. The past 2 days he's been sleeping really well. So I just want to quickly show you how I fold the laundry. It's divided by person, basically. So Andrea's stuff, Adriana's stuff, Demetri and me, and check out baby clothes and toddler clothes ratio to our clothes. Yeah, so what I do is I divide it into like all the pants and then all the onesies, bodysuits, tops, and then once I'm done folding everything, then I'll do a pile for each person's room. Our stuff is obviously in, you know, this closet, and then I will go and I'll put it away. So I don't know, I'm sure everybody does something similar, but just want to share with you my little system. Are you kidding me? It's 3:10 almost in the afternoon and he's still sleeping. Like, this is never happens. It's been, I think, over 2 hours. I think he fell asleep around 1. It took him a bit of time to fall asleep, but I think he fell asleep around 1 something. So he's been sleeping for almost 2 hours. I'm not used to having all this time to myself. So you know what? I actually made myself a little something to eat, and I'm gonna finish my coffee. He should be waking up like any minute now, right? I honestly, like, it feels so different because for the longest time since he was born, I had the 2 of them and I was always home with them alone, with the exception of summer when Demetri was home. And, you know, 2 under 2 for, you know, 3 months ago she turned 2. So it's like, it was just on, like full on. I had not even 1 minute to myself, basically, unless their naps would coincide, and then you would have like half an hour or something to eat and sit down. So I'm like so not used to having this time. It feels so good. Just as I sat down to eat, he woke up from his nap, and check out those rosy cheeks. So I'm just gonna warm up his little food, sweet potato and butternut squash, because you're probably hungry. Are you hungry? So I was going to film a little bit of us playing and him eating, but he's kind of a bit fussy. I'm not really sure if he's teething or if something else is bothering him. He's just not in a very good mood, which happens sometimes. It's okay. I think he just wants to be held. A little bit of comfort always does the trick. So I'm just gonna make some milk for him. And I just wanted to sign off for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you're having a wonderful day wherever you are. And I will see you in the next video. Oh, look at those big eyes. Bye guys.